Have you ever been using ChatGPT and you copied some content from it and pasted it in a document, but it's got all this extra formatting you don't care about? I'm gonna show you how to get around that in this video. So the other thing that I want to mention is that this is the first video that I'm actually saying is a sponsor, kind of doing it myself, but Factor food delivery service, they're pretty good. They always give me these coupons where I could hand it off to like a friend or whatever, and then you guys get like a box of like 10 of their like meals for free, which is like $100. So I decided to just like put it in my videos because I gave it to some of my friends. I think they were just like, it sounds like a little too good to be true. And like I wasted like some coupons. Only one of them used it, and she was just like, oh yeah, that's pretty cool. So anyway, I'm gonna put the code in the description, and if someone uses it and someone else tries to use it and it's invalid, just message me and then I'll give you another code. I have like 4 of them. So first 4 to get it, and then that'll be it. All right. But let's just jump into the video now. On ChatGPT, let's say I told it to summarize a book for me called Buffettology, and it's about Warren Buffett. All right. Now, on the screen here, it looks nice and clean with no issues in the formatting. So if I were to go to Google Docs here and paste it, it looks almost okay, but then you see it's got all these asterisks here. And that's because it's using some markdown. And if you don't know what markdown is, you could check it out here. It's basically like simplified HTML, which is used for the web. But anyway, I like to use this code editor called VS Code. Programmers use it to code, but you don't need to be a programmer to use it. It's free, and all you need to do is once you start it, after you've installed it, make sure that you choose a light theme. If you see this screen, make sure you choose a light theme. If you already have it installed and you need to change this theme, I'll show you how to do that. But after choosing a theme, actually, let me make this dark. All you need to do is go to File, New Text File, and then paste the code the text that you have from ChatGPT, and save the file. I'm going to save it as book.md, and MD stands for Markdown. Visual Studio Code is going to notice that this is Markdown, and then it's going to give you a preview screen to show you how it's going to look when it's being used. And see, now it looks nice and clean, and you can highlight and copy this. Now, I had told you to change the theme to a light theme, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Well, even before I do it, let me copy and show you why that's important. Because if you come here, delete this, and paste, the font color actually was copied over, and we don't want that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do Shift Command P. I'm on a Mac, and then choose Preference Color Theme, and I can choose a light theme from here also. So this is just another way, but if it's the first time you installed it, just choose the light theme from the beginning so you don't have to even go through this. And now when I go over here and highlight and copy it, I can hop over to Google Docs and bang, there it is, nice and clean. And then of course you could come over and change and modify the font or the color if you need to. But that's it. So hope you find that useful, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out Factor. All right, most of their meals are really good. I mean, if I sound like half excited, I like it. I just find it a little bit pricey, but 75% of the meals are actually really good for something that's food delivery. So that's it for now, and I will see you in the next one. Okay.